Hey, it's that time of year again. Billy Crystal's back as host of the 65th Annual Academy Awards. Join us Monday, March 29th. Next, the search for CJ leads Cord to an unlucky source. Stay tuned for One Life to Live.